Hello students. So today I am going to teach you some new formula that I have explained earlier in the very first video. So the formulas are a to the power m, whole to the power n, and whole to the power p. So in such cases, what happens if there is a power multiplied again the power of power again power of power is there. So in such cases, the individual power will be multiplied. That means it will be a to the power m into n into p. So this is the formula. And second one, the next formula is a to the power minus m. It will be a by 1 by a to the power m. So in the case whenever we have the power in minus, so the formula will be 1 by that very base. And as we see in the here, the power is minus m. Because of minus, we have to write here the by, that is 1 by the base. And now this minus m will be here plus m. Okay, this I have explained earlier in the very first video. And this is the formula a into b whole to the power m is equals to a to the power m into b to the power m. So now I have taken one example here, and I'm going to use this formula, any of the formula here. So now see what is the question now. The question is 2x squared y cube whole to the power minus 2. So as you can see, inside the bracket we have here three different numbers, or we can say three different terms. What are they? 2x squared and y cube. And the power, the whole to the power is minus 2. So which formula we have to use here first? We have to use this formula first. In this case, if two or more numbers multiplied and they have the same power, so what happened in this case? In this case, that this power will go with the individual number. So we will do the same thing here. As we have here three numbers, 2x square and y cube. So this power minus 2 will go with 2 also, with x square also, and with y cube also. So how to write? So write simply here 2 to the power minus 2 into, what is the next number is x square, again whole to the power minus 2, again into y cube and whole to the power minus 2. Now see, what can we see here now? Let's say these are a, b and c. Let's suppose these numbers are a, b and c, and suppose this power is m. So see the step here now. What I have done here? I have done here simply the a, b, c will be same in the multiplication, and this power will go with the individual number, that is the with a also, with b also, and with c also. So that is a to the power m into b to the power m into c to the power m. Okay, so this is the formula. This is the formula we have used here. So, but here the a means 2, as just we have assumed a means here 2, b means x square, and c means y cube, and that they have the same power. See, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. So now what can we do here now? See, the power is, the base is 2 here, and the power is in minus sign. As I said just now, when we have any number with the power negative, so it will be 1 by the base. So what is the base here? So 1 by 2 right here first, because here the base is b, and this minus 2 will be here now 2. So it will be 1 by 2 square. Okay, now what is there? X square whole to the power minus 2. Now we have to use this very formula, because we have a number with power, and again we have whole to the power something. So in this case what happens? Simply this power and power will multiply. So let's multiply now. So x will be same, and here it will be 2 into minus 2, because the powers are 2n minus 2. So these two will multiply here. Okay. Now same here also, as we have power 3n minus 2, because we have y cube and whole to the power minus 2. So here 3n, this minus 2 will multiply it. So let's write here. So y to the power 3 into minus 2. Now see, 1 by 2 square means it is 4. And now see here, x, it is same. Now multiply 2 and minus 2. It is 2 to the 4. And remember, whenever you multiply two numbers or any variables, after multiplication, don't forget to multiply their sign. You have to multiply their sign also. See, in this case, in this 2, as you can see, in this 2, there is no sign. Don't see the sign here. Just after the numbers, we have to see check the sign before the given number. In this case, this 2 has no sign. As you can see, there is no sign. If sign is not given, we have to assume that there is plus sign. Means here the plus sign is hidden. So that means we have plus 2 and we have here minus 2. We have multiplied number 2 and 2, 2 to the 4. Now multiply sign also. So here is plus, here is minus sign. So plus and minus, minus. So it will be x to the power minus 4. Now do the same thing here also. Y. Now multiply 3 and 2. 3 to the 6. Again, the sign of 3 is plus, which is hidden. Now multiply plus and minus, minus. Okay. Now 1 by 4 into, you can write in a simple way, x to the power minus 4 into y to the power minus 6. Okay. After that, if you want to again use this formula here, you can use, otherwise this is the only the answer. Okay. If you are able to solve up to this was only, so this is also the answer. Okay. So now the next question. And say the question is 2 to the power minus 1 whole to the power minus 1 whole to the power minus 1 whole to the power minus 1. Now see, what can you see here, that we have only the same power. We have, initially we had 2 to the power minus 1 and again whole to the power minus 1 and minus and so on. We have the minus 1 power in this step of this bracket. So very simple step here. As we have to use here the power, we have, because we have power of power. So whenever we have power of power, we have to use this formula, and in this formula the individual power will be multiplied. So the step will be simple. Simply multiply all these powers. That is minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. Now see, 2. Now multiply 1 4 times. You may write that 1 multiplied 4 times 4. No, you have to listen carefully. You have to understand the game of this power. If I say 2 to the power 4, that means you have to multiply 2 4 times. It doesn't mean you have to multiply 2 and 4. Understood? If I say 2 to the power 4, it doesn't mean 2 into 4. This mistake happens very often. So the power is 4. It doesn't mean you have to multiply 2 and 4. This is wrong. That means we have to multiply 2 4 times. That means write 2 4 times. 2, 2, 2 and 2. 4 times. Now multiply them. Multiply them. Whatever will be the multiplication, that will be the answer. Okay. So same way, if I say 1 multiplied 4 times, it will be 1 only. If I say 1 to the power 10, obviously 1. 1 to the power 100, also 1. Even I say 1 to the power 1 lakh is also 1, because if we multiply 100 times, 1000 times, 10 lakh times, no matters, because if you multiply 1 and 1, it will be only the 1. Okay, so here if we multiply 1 4 times, it will give you 1 only. Okay, as I said just now, that when you multiply numbers or variables, okay, you don't forget to multiply their sign. Now we have multiplied 1 and 1 4 times. Now we have to multiply their sign. Okay, now what sign they have? Now see, minus minus, plus or not, and again now plus and minus, minus. Okay, now minus and minus, plus, so it is plus 1. Okay, either you multiply individual sign one by one, step by steps, if they have only minus sign. Okay, suppose if you have to multiply minus sign 3 times, that means minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. So 1 multiplying here 3 times, so it will be 1 only. But what will be its sign? So either you may multiply 1 by 1, minus minus, plus, and plus and minus minus. So it will be minus 1. Or you have to remember small tricks here. And what is the tricks? Tricks is here, if minus sign, if the negative sign, okay, multiplied odd times, listen carefully here. If the negative sign multiplied odd times, so the result will be negative only, that is minus only. And again, if the negative sign multiplied even time, it will be plus. Odd means, as you know, 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on, and even means 2, 4, 6, 8. That means if you multiply minus sign 2 times, it gives you plus. If you multiply minus sign 6 times, it will give you plus sign. So as we can see, we have multiplying minus sign 4 times, so the answer will be plus 1. Okay, and we don't write 1 also, so 2 to the power 1 means simply 2 only. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, if you want to note down, you have to just note down this very point that I have discussed here. Okay, and in next videos I'll try to use other formula also, as we have many formula and many type of the questions here. So till then, you just try some questions from your book. If in the case of doubt, you may ask me individually. Okay, thank you.